Good morning, my name is Steve North. I'm an operations section chief with Northwest Team 10 with an operational update for Saturday, November 21st. We had a great day on the fire yesterday. There was a little wind, so we were able to fly our aviation resources. We were finally able to put some bucket work on that heat on the bulge up on the ridge. We also, during the middle of the day, we had a small heat pop up there at South Signal Mountain that we were able to take care of that. And then the big story was up on Pingree, up above the CSU campus. We were able to fly a Type 2 and a Type 3 helicopter up there yesterday and dropped almost 5,000 gallons on those that heat area up there. Also, the hand crew up there was able to construct that fire line that they were doing up in that area. So that helps us to achieve that catcher's mitt, if you will, so that we can keep that fire from backing down to the CSU campus. Today, we're going to continue with our processing up in Division Delta. They'll be working up in the Sand Creek area. Over here in Lima, they continue to work on the equestrian trail, and they're doing repair work in Bel Air Lake area and some dozer line repair south of drop point 310. I talked about Tango up here in the Pingree area. That work will continue today. We'll still have a hand crew out there. We've already ordered up a helicopter support for today, so we'll be dropping water, trying to remove that heat. Down here in X-Ray Yankee, all of that work is now complete. Those resources have been shifted to the north side of the fire. This still remains in patrol status in case anything unexpected would happen in that area. So that's it for the fire. This morning, I would like to show you a tool that we use to keep track of all this stuff. We call it our suppression repair dashboard. Out in the field, personnel use a phone application called Collector to enter data from the fire incident. So they are tracking dozer line locations, hand line locations, and locations of equipment. So hand lines, hose lines, the tanks, and that type of stuff. So if you have a tank or some fire hose near your residence, we know it's there because it's been entered into this program. We also use this program to keep track of when those things are removed or repaired on the fire incident. As an example, on the very far right of your screen, you can see that when we talk about fire line, we have completed almost 34 miles of hand or dozer line. We have just over 20 miles still in progress and have, unfortunately, 49 miles left to go. Over on the roads, we repaired almost 52 miles worth of roads. We're right now working on 25.6 miles of road, and there's still 89 miles of road to go. So this has been a really excellent tool. Technology has been our friend. We use this on all of the fires that we work on. This helps us keep track. That's it for today. It ends up that I'm going to be extended one day to help with the transition to the new incident management team. So I will be back tomorrow, so if you have any questions, tomorrow is your last opportunity. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you tomorrow.